The big talent show. Mia loved to sing, but she was always too shy to perform in front of others. When her school announced a talent show, her best friend Lily encouraged her to sign up. Mia was nervous, but Lily promised to cheer her on. They practiced together every day after school, with Lily clapping and cheering for Mia's progress. When the day of the show arrived, Mia felt her heart race as she stepped onto the stage. She took a deep breath, looked out into the crowd, and spotted Lily's encouraging smile. Feeling braver, Mia started to sing, and soon, her voice filled the room. When she finished, the audience applauded, and Mia felt a rush of happiness. She realized that sometimes, it just takes a friend's support to overcome fears and do something special.